In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Guinness Yorkshire pudding mix. So, first we need to crack 2 eggs into a glass, and it's going to be equal quantities. So 1, and then we're going to crack 1 more, which makes 2. There we are. And then we want to get the flour to the same level. So we're going to spoon the flour in to the same level as the eggs. This is how you do Yorkshire pudding the right way. Just sieve it down, just check, and we'll need a little bit more. There we are, and that's right. So we want to put the flour into the bowl. So we want to do halfway milk, halfway Guinness. So we're going to pour it in like that, just a touch more, and then we're going to put the rest in Guinness to top it up. This is a lovely, dark, rich Guinness. It's beautiful. So we're going to put the Guinness, and then we're going to put the eggs in. So that was the Guinness and the milk, and then the 2 eggs. And then we're going to whisk it up. So we're going to give it a little bit of a whisk now. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of seasoning. There we are. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of ground pepper. Ground black pepper. That's a really nice dark mixture made from that really rich Guinness. It's absolutely beautiful. It's going to taste lovely. So this is the Yorkshire pudding Guinness recipe, and it's just simple. Everything equal quantities, and that's the best way to weigh out Yorkshire pudding mix. So these are the Guinness one with that nice, light, dark, rich ale. They're absolutely beautiful. Look at that dark mixture. Just going to top them up. There we are. In the air fryer for 12 to 20 minutes on 200. So these are Guinness Yorkshire puddings. They're absolutely amazing. They've turned out lovely. And this is how you do in the air fryer or the oven. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment below.